Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a new teacher. As in last meeting we have told we need to reduce the steps, so that's why you can add a teacher now in one step. This is one step, but now we need to add a Zoom user ID. That's why these steps are optional, but you can add it in one step. But the thing is, if you want to add Zoom account also for this teacher, you can add it here. And Zoom account obviously need to assign, so it's a kind of mandatory, but you can skip. You can skip the email creation, but Zoom user into create and then assign here. Let's see how it is working. So first, when you are in the dashboard, let's go to the teachers and add a new teacher. Let's say LM teacher's name, Zoom ID. This for this field we need to collect the Zoom ID and then assign here. Teacher's email. Okay, let's say Zoom ID and use a password. This is the password. Let's say this is the password. So this email and password will create your user. So you don't need to create the user first and then go back again here. So it's creating your user from here. This is the bio as it was. Here's the available list. And here the thing is, this is just for showing from the backend, but for each course when you are assigning, you are adding the date and times, you are adding the um, date and times from this end. So when you are assigning a teacher, you can adding the time in the course page. So this is available for whole days, whole every for it is kind of a global thing. It's one time, but for each course you are assigning teacher and you are defining the time there also, so this time will be shown in the front end. So if you have multiple courses, you can add multiple times in different times, right? So this is just showing, but working as that one that is also showing in for each course, that will show in the profile page as well. Let me add a image. Yeah, everything done. So I have we don't need to go to the users and create users and go back here again. And here the author will be assigned automatically. Let's publish it. Yeah, it's done. It's done. If I view it, I can say teacher has been added. So it's easily done. So this is the very easy step, but now you need to add the Zoom ID. So until this you can easily add a user, but what about the Zoom ID? So what I'm thinking, if you will go with the free version, you can create an email from your hostinger. Let me open the hostinger and create an email. Might be user can have an email also. Now here you can create up to 100 email for free. So let's create an email. Mm, here should be an option for it's 100 email. Will create email address. Let's say that was the email. What we did, let's say this, and I can keep the password. Now let's say password will be create. Skip. Now I have an email address here. Let's log into the webmail. This one, the previous one, log out. Now I'm logged in into the webmail. Yeah, I'm now logged in. Now what I need to go to the Zoom account, and Zoom account, when you're logged in, at the left side you can see user management. Go to the users. I need to log in again. When you're logged in into a Zoom account, you can add a new user on the left side, and here is the add new user. For 40 minutes you can add for free. This is the email address I put. It's for unassigned, which is free. Products Bob manager, no need anything. It's now added. Now if you refresh here, you will get an email. Zoom activation. Click here to log in into Zoom. Like say use the same password as we did. Now this is activated. We can see our new one, Aisha Rahman, is activated. Now if you click on the at your Zoom account, if you click on the username, you will see the user ID here. This is the user ID. So that ID we will need. Just copy this ID and go back to our website, and here is the Zoom ID, and update it. So now a user has defined as this Zoom ID. Okay, now it's defined as a Zoom ID. Now if you go back and go to the courses, let's have a cross check when you are the Zoom ID is defined or not. When you will be here, you are adding a new Zoom. When you select the teacher, this one, no, it's not defined yet, it's updating, still updating. Let it update. Oh, maybe internet issue, it's not updated. Submit and update. So after update, it will be here, like as I did for this one. You can see Zoom ID is coming. When you select a teacher, if Zoom ID is not there, that means this teacher does not have any Zoom account. Let's Parvez have now a Zoom account. If I select Parvez, I can see the Zoom ID. You can easily add from here. So I will show in next part how to add the codes, but this is how you can add a teacher. Thank you.